Let's imagine a situation: you are in a sheet view and you would like to see some section, let's say here through the stairs. If I double click and press VV for visibility graphics, I can see that a view template has been applied to this sheet view because everything is grayed out. Then I scroll down in the properties dialog box and I can see that someone applied a view template called architectural plan, and they don't want to see any sections on this drawing. There are cases that you need to check something in a hurry and you have no time to look for other views. And as I mentioned, let's imagine that a person wants to see some section on this particular view, and what they normally tend to do is go to the view template and tick the section checkbox, or set the view template to none, go to visibility graphics and tick the section checkbox. There is nothing wrong with it, but most of the time people forget to set a view template back to what it was, and they end up issuing drawings with something that's not supposed to be shown on a drawing. What they should use instead is temporary view properties, and this button is located here at the bottom. If I press on it, then I have three options: 1, 2, and 3. So let's go through each option. For your information, when you first click on this button, a recent templates option is not shown. You only see it after you apply some templates. If I press enable temporary view properties, this temporarily removes the view template and allows me to manipulate the visibility graphics however I wish, so I can change whatever I want. The trick is that the window gets a purple color, which sort of reminds me that I need to restore view properties, which I can do by clicking on this third option called restore view properties. The second option allows me to apply a different view template. Let's say you wish to check some structural or MEP elements, so you can apply one of those templates temporarily. For example, as an example, I'm going to apply structural framing plan. Again, the window gets a purple color, which reminds me that I need to restore the view template back to what it was. This Revit feature is there for a reason, so try to use it, work smarter.